When the night is dark and fear is near, when the weight of the world brings me to tears, I hear a voice so calm and true, saying I will never leave you.
Do you want a blessed life and make money with gospel music using just your phone? No studio, no fancy gear. Free AI does the work. In this video, I'll be taking you step by step on how you can start a powerful gospel channel from scratch and earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month. Let's dive in. So the first thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. When you're ChatGPT, just type in this prompt. Give me 5 Bible verses that signifies hope, strength, and faith. Okay, going to click on send. At ChatGPT is going to give us those powerful Bible verses. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT is already generating the verses for us. Okay, so now ChatGPT is done generating, and the one that really resonate with me most is the number 3. Okay, so I'll just come to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that I like number 3. Okay, so once I tell ChatGPT that I like number 3, I went ahead to say, please help me generate a powerful song for me with number 3. Note that I want to generate this song with Suno.ai. I'm giving ChatGPT this prompt because so that it can be able to craft the lyrics with Suno.ai. Okay, so once I put in that, I'm just going to click on send, and ChatGPT is going to generate a full-blown song for us. How cool is this? Okay, as you can see now, ChatGPT is not generating the song, right? You can see the pre-chorus, the chorus, verse 1, verse 2, the bridge, and the final chorus. Okay, so what we need to do next is for us to turn this lyrics into actual song. Okay, so before then, ChatGPT already gives me the genre of this song. What genre means is what kind of music do you want Suno.ai to generate for you? Do you need pop, hip hop, any kind of genre? Would it be a worship or praise song? That is what genre means. Okay, so ChatGPT have already given me my. Let me assume that ChatGPT did not give you. Just say to ChatGPT in one sentence, please suggest the best genre for the lyrics you have generated above. Okay, and ChatGPT is going to go ahead and suggest the best genre for your song. Okay, so once that is done, it's for us to head over to Suno.ai for us to actually turn these lyrics that ChatGPT has generated for us into actual song. Let's go. This is Suno.ai. This is how it looks like. But if you are just using Suno.ai for the first time, your interface will not be like this. Okay, for you to get to this interface, just go to Google and type Suno.ai and sign up with your Gmail, and you'll be on this interface. Just in case Suno.ai is acting up, just use a proxy or you use a VPN and you are going to be on this interface. Once you're on this interface, what you need to do is for you to click on this music button for you to start creating music. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface. Once you are here, click on this custom so that you can be able to use everything that you need to use on this app. Once you are here, this place they wrote enter lyrics. We are going to go back to ChatGPT and get our lyrics copied. Okay, once you're in ChatGPT, get all your lyrics copied. Once you are done copying it, bring it back to Suno.ai. When you're on Suno.ai, paste it on the lyrics box. Okay, once you paste it on it, you can decide to remove all this title, chorus, verse 1 and verse 2, but I'm not going to be doing that with mine because this is the reason why Suno.ai was created. Okay, so if you want to remove your chorus and all of that, remove it, there is no problem, but I'm not going to be removing mine. I will just leave it like that so that Suno.ai really understand how I want my music to come out. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is for you to scroll down. When you scroll down, it's going to ask you for music style. You know, ChatGPT has already generated the kind of music we want to create for us, and just what you need to do just for you to go there and copy it. Okay, once you copied it, come back to Suno.ai and paste it on that box that say music style. All right, once you are done pasting it, just scroll down. You see where it write title. Just feel free to put any title that you love. I'll just name mine Hope. After putting Hope, all you need to do is for you to hit on this generate button. Okay, So Suno.ai is going to generate two variations of that particular song for you, okay? So as you can see, it's already generating the two songs for us. All you need to do is just for you to wait for it to complete the generation. As you can see, the generation is done. All you need to do is just for you to play each of the song to hear how they sound so that you can make an informed decision on the one you want. I'll just click on the first one and let it play, okay?
When the night is dark and fear is near, when the weight of the world brings me to tears.
I'm going to pause this first one and play the second one. Let me see here how it sounds.
When the night is dark and fear is near.
So I'm done playing the second one. I'll just settle for the first one, okay? So for me to get the music downloaded to my phone, I'll just click on this three dots. Once I click on it, it's going to open an interface just like this, okay? Once the interface is open, just scroll down. You are going to see MP3 download. Click on MP3 download. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Just click on download anyways, and it's going to be downloaded to your device, okay? So if maybe you want to download the second one, just take the process I took before. Click on the three dot. It's going to bring you here. Navigate your ways to MP3 download. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open an interface just like this, and click on download anyway, and the two songs will be downloaded to your device, okay? Now we have gotten our song. Now it's for us to get our image to put everything together for our channel to be up and running. Let's go. I'll be using Google Image Effects to generate our image, okay? If this is the first time you are using Google Image Effects, just head over to your browser and type Google Image Effects, sign up with your Gmail account, and you will find yourself in this interface, okay? Once you are here, just paste in your prompt, okay? The prompt I'm going to be using to generate my image, I said, generate an image of a well-organized white young choir group, combination of young women and men within the age of 24 to 45, with a male lead singer in front of the pulpit with a microphone in his hand, singing in a white and blue uniform. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to make sure that this image come out with the best quality. I'm going to click on best quality. After clicking on best quality, I will also set the aspect ratio. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using 16:9. Make sure to choose the aspect ratio that fits the platform you are creating for. Maybe you are creating for YouTube short, you have to choose 9:16. So once that is done, I'm just going to click on this yellow icon for it to generate our image for us. It's going to take some couple of seconds or minutes, depend on your internet connection. So now our image are ready. I really love how this first one looks already. I'll just click on this download icon for it to be downloaded to my device. Mind you, Google Image Effects produce 4 images for each prompt. Just go through them and choose the one that you want, okay? The last and final step is for us to lip sync our song with our image, okay? And for us to do that, let's head over to Hedra.com. Once you're on Hedra.com, just click on this place that says video. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface. Mind you, just need to sign up with your Gmail and you are good to go, okay? So once you are here, you can actually click here to choose the aspect ratio that you want your video to be generated in. Then I'll click on this plus button, click on upload image so that I can upload the image we have generated from Google Image Effects, okay? Once I'm here, I'm going to click on the image. I'll click on done and it's going to take me to this interface, okay? Here, I'm going to click on add script and I'll click on upload audio so that we can go and upload the audio that Suno has generated for us. Once I'm here, click on it and I'm back to Hedra. As you can see, Hedra said we can only generate an audio that is 20 seconds long because we are on the free plan. I tried to crop it, but it did not work out. So I went to Google and typed audio trimmer. I uploaded the audio I got from Suno.ai, that's our song. I just crop it with this green buttons as you can see on the screen. So after cropping it to 20 seconds, I just click on crop and I click on download and it was downloaded to my device. So back on Hedra, I'll just remove the one we pasted before. Click on upload audio again for me to upload the new one that we've trimmed. Okay, so after uploading it, as you can see, it's already showing another color. Once it's showing this color, meaning that it is good to go. All you need to do is just for you to click on add to video. Here we are going to prompt our character with emotions and gesture, and I'll just go ahead and type the male choir is singing while the other members sing and make natural body movement. Once I type in, I'll just click on this orange arrow and it's going to load up, and I'll click on continue. Okay, once I click on continue, it's going to take some couple of minutes for it to get our video downloaded because we are on the free plan. Okay, as you can see, it say it's okay, so just be patient. It's going to generate your video for you. Okay, as you can see, our video is ready. All you need to do is just for you to click on these three dots and click on download, and your video will be downloaded to your device. And that's how easy it is to start your own gospel music channel with just your phone and free AI too. If you got value from this video, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a smart puzzle like this. If you got any question, drop it in the comment and I'll see you in the next one.
Mountains rise, the road is long, but in your strength I carry on. Be strong and courageous, do not be afraid. The Lord goes before me, He's making a way.